Deep in the murky waters of the Amazon and Orinoco rivers, a creature of mythic proportions glides silently. It's not a monster from a legend, but one of nature's most electrifying creations, the electric eel. But here's a little secret to start with despite its name. The electric eel isn't an eel at all. It's actually a type of knifefish, more closely related to carp and catfish. What makes it so extraordinary is its family tree, but its shocking ability to generate up to 600 volts of electricity. To put that into perspective, a standard US wall socket delivers about 120 volts. This living power plant can unleash a jolt 5 times more powerful, stunning prey, deterring predators, and even taking down animals as large as crocodiles. It's a jaw-dropping display of evolutionary genius, a biological weapon unlike any other. So, how does this incredible creature do it? The secret lies in 3 specialized organs that make up nearly 80% of its body. These organs are packed with thousands of unique cells called electrocytes. Think of each electrocyte as a tiny, organic battery. On their own, they produce a minuscule charge. But when the eel's brain sends the signal, all of these tiny batteries discharge at the exact same time. The effect is instantaneous and devastating. The combined voltage creates a massive shockwave that paralyzes anything nearby in milliseconds. It's a stunningly sophisticated biological system, perfected over millions of years for hunting and self-defense. This isn't just brute force, it's a high-tech weapon, evolved to perfection. But the electric eel's power isn't just for attack. It's also a sophisticated sensory tool. These eels live in dark, muddy waters where sight is almost useless. So, how do they navigate? They use a form of biological sonar called electrolocation. By emitting low-voltage pulses, typically around 10 volts, the eel creates an electric field around its body. Any object that enters this field, be it a rock, a plant, or a potential meal, distorts it. The eel senses these distortions, allowing it to build a detailed 3D map of its surroundings in complete darkness. It's like having a superpower that lets you see with electricity. This system is so precise that the eel can detect the faintest muscle twitch of a hidden fish, pinpointing its location before launching a high-voltage attack. When it's time to hunt, the electric eel is a master strategist. It often lies perfectly still, a silent predator waiting in the gloom. As an unsuspecting fish swims by, the eel unleashes a quick, high-voltage doublet pulse. This initial shock doesn't just stun the prey. It causes its muscles to contract uncontrollably, making it twitch. This twitch sends ripples through the water, which the eel's electrosensory system picks up, revealing the prey's exact location. It's like a biological remote control. The eel can then deliver a longer, more powerful shock to completely immobilize its target before swallowing it whole. Researchers have even observed eels cleverly manipulating their prey, using targeted pulses to make it move closer for an easy meal. It's an intelligent and ruthlessly efficient hunting technique. The eel's control over its electricity is astonishingly precise. It can adjust the voltage and frequency of its shocks depending on the situation. A short, sharp burst to disorient prey, or a sustained, high-voltage current to subdue a larger threat. When cornered by a predator like a caiman, an eel will erupt in a rapid volley of powerful discharges, often leaping out of the water to press its body directly against the attacker, ensuring maximum impact. This ability to dial its power up or down makes it one of the most versatile predators in the animal kingdom. There are even historical accounts from early explorers in South America describing horses being sent into rivers to de-energize eels, with the powerful shocks sometimes proving fatal to the large mammals. This incredible creature has fascinated scientists for centuries. In the 18th century, the naturalist Alexander von Humboldt conducted famous experiments with electric eels, which helped shape our fundamental understanding of electricity and bioelectricity. He was one of the first to document their power and behavior, paving the way for entire fields of modern science. Today, the electric eel continues to inspire innovation. Researchers are studying its electrocytes to design new types of biobatteries and medical implants that could be powered by our own bodies. The eel's ability to generate immense power without harming itself holds the key to incredible technological advancements, from sustainable energy sources to next-generation medical devices. It is a creature that is not only a marvel of nature, but also a blueprint for the future. Beyond its electrifying abilities, the electric eel is a master of survival. Growing up to 8 feet long, its elongated body is perfectly adapted to its environment. Because it often lives in oxygen-poor waters, it has developed a special trick. It breathes air. The eel has to surface every few minutes to gulp air, absorbing oxygen through specialized tissues in its mouth. This allows it to thrive in stagnant pools and slow-moving rivers where other fish might struggle. Even their family life is fascinating. During the breeding season, the male builds a nest out of his own saliva and fiercely guards the thousands of eggs laid by the female. He uses his electric charge as a defensive shield, protecting his offspring from any would-be predators, proving that he is one of the most dedicated fathers in the aquatic world. As a top predator, the electric eel plays a vital role in its ecosystem, controlling the populations of smaller fish and maintaining the delicate balance of river life. But like many incredible species, it faces threats from human activity. Deforestation, pollution, and the damming of rivers are destroying its habitat, putting this unique creature at risk. Protecting the Amazon's waterways is not just about saving the rainforest. It's about preserving the astonishing biodiversity within, including this living testament to the power of evolution. The electric eel is a symbol of nature's hidden power, silent, invisible, but overwhelmingly potent. It has no sharp claws or venomous fangs, yet it commands respect from every creature in its domain. Scientists are still unlocking the secrets of the electric eel. They've recently discovered that there isn't just one species, but at least 3, including one capable of generating a record-breaking 860-volt shock, the strongest of any known animal. This discovery proves that we still have so much to learn about the natural world. The electric eel reminds us that nature's most mind-blowing innovations are often hidden just beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. It's a creature that turned its own body into a generator, a hunter that sees with the electricity, and a living battery that could power our future. So, the next time you think of nature's powerhouses, look past the lions and bears and remember the silent, swimming current of life in the Amazon. The electric eel is, without a doubt, one of nature's most shocking and inspiring masterpieces. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of the electric eel. If you found this as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures into the wild, and share this video with anyone who loves nature's incredible wonders. See you next time.